So, welcome back to my channel. Back then, in the other videos, I was trying to teach you how to answer questions that have to do with derived units and dimensions. Then, having done that, I'd like to consider vernier caliper is another part that comes in the beginning of your JAM physics also. If you have not subscribed, please try and subscribe so that anytime I add a new video, it's not be hard for you to know, and also turn on your notification. Thank you. So these questions are from vernier caliper, but I can't just go into the questions without giving you an intro into the vernier caliper. Definitely, the vernier caliper has some features. For example, it is a better instrument or have a higher reading accuracy to the meter rule. Meter rule before it has a reading accuracy of 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter or so. But this one has higher, that's 0.01 centimeter or 0.1 millimeter. So that's the reading accuracy for vernier caliper. And it is also graduated in centimeters. That's it's graduated in centimeters. When you check the vernier scale, the vernier scale, it has both vernier scale and main scale. When you check the vernier scale is in millimeter. That's why all these graduations, that's accuracy, that both in centimeter and in millimeter. Then the main scale, that's this in the question, though I've not started solving, I'm just indicating it. This one is the main scale, all this size, then this is the vernier scale, just like this. Then what do we use this vernier caliper to measure? It is used to measure the diameter of a rod. That's when you want to measure diameter of rod. Definitely you can't really say meter rule or length, because every measurement here has to do with length somehow, in some way or the other. Then another one is to measure the internal and external diameter of a tube. When you want to measure a tube now, you can use it to measure the internal and external diameter. Then the thickness of a meter rule, like a plate, for example, a meter rule. So you can say plate, for example. Then there are some calculations which you will most likely see than these theoretical aspects. And I took time to bring out some calculations from your jam pass question. So pay attention as I solve. So you say, what is the reading of the vernier scale above? A 1.88 centimeter, B 1.80 centimeter, C 1.28 centimeter, D 1.97 centimeter. So I want to solve now. Say solution. I only use much space because a question like this, just one line in your JAMB exam. So your reading is equivalent to the vernier scale reading plus the main scale reading. This place is entirely in centimeter if you have two here, which means this place is in 1 point, reduces by 0.1 centimeter. That's 1.9 centimeter, 1.8 centimeter, equal to 1.8, then plus your vernier scale reading is just 0.01 from this point till when the vernier scale coincides with the main scale. So that's how you calculate that one. So this one is 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08. So you say 0.08, which is equivalent to 1.88. You see that the answer now is A. So that's the answer. That is that. Then another question here is, what is the reading of the vernier caliper shown above? Definitely, I've already stated that vernier caliper reading, that's the reading equal to vernier scale reading. Sorry, I have to represent it well. Then main scale reading. Let's take the main scale reading first. Main scale reading 1.2, so 1.9, 1.8, 1.7, 1.70 centimeter. Then this is in millimeter. I have to convert it to centimeter by saying 0.0, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08. So that's 0.08, which is equivalent to 1.78 centimeter. So that's the answer, D. So when you see question like this, it's just to follow the steps I follow. I have the money to make this video very big and popular, but I discovered that all those their white men style and everything, it doesn't really make students understand it properly. So you have to solve it in paper the way they like it, the way they feel, the way they always see it, the way that it's disposed to them. That's the way they get it easy, not by the chalkboard or whatever. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that anytime I add a new video, because more videos are coming. And if you like it, click the like button. So when you subscribe, you get more videos. And a lot of videos are going to be coming. I won't really wait for anyone because the exam is around the corner. Thank you very much.